Hello everyone, this video is about how to measure the slope of a roof in Revit. Okay, this is the house design or the 3D model I did by using Revit 2024. You can see that completely done this model. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roofs there, and I'm going to measure the slope of each roof. Okay. For that, it's better to go for a floor plan. Okay, I'll select here the roof level. Okay, white. Okay, select the site floor plan. Okay, these are the slopes of these roofs. I have already marked there. Okay, here 13 degrees, or we can see that 231 over 1000. Okay, I'll delete it, and now I'm going to measure it. For that, click that, enter to the annotate tab, and this is the spot slope. This is the tool we have to use for measuring slopes. Okay, I click on it, and you can see that when I move my cursor into the slope, it shows the degrees angle and the slope value here. You can see that. I click on it, then select the side, and now this is the slope of the roof. Okay, this is the slope of this roof. And if we are selecting a flat surface, you can see that this is no slope. This is the surface of the pavement in the bottom layers. Okay, you can see that no slope. You can see that the gutters also no slope. But when we are reaching the roofs, it's 13 degrees. Here 13 degrees. Here 14.41 degrees, like that. 15.34 degrees. We can measure each and every value of slope of each surface. Okay, thank you, and we will see in our next videos. Thank you.